Recording in
Many
progress.
people are yet to join. So just wait for 5 more minutes, guys. Thank you.
Hello. கேக்குதாப்பா? Hello. 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 யூடியூப்ல வருதாப்பா நான் பேச யூடியூப் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. அதை ஆஃப் பண்றாமா? Hello. 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 I hope I'm audible, right? Project on minute. Yes, good afternoon, good evening, all of you. Hope I'm audible. We will start in another 5-10 minutes because still people are joining. Good evening, all of you. We'll start in another 5-10 minutes, my dear. First of all, thank you for joining with me. Same content is live on YouTube also. Madam, if you are there, please remove that admin, this is waiting room option. Because every time we have to give wait, allow everything.
Sir, it's not possible to remove right now, sir. The setting was kept earlier like that, so it's not possible right now.
Yes, can you read? Waiting room. Open it. Okay. So once again, welcome to everyone. Thank you for joining with me. Today, the session is going to be very important session. Hope you all are comfortable in English, right? You all are comfortable in English, right? So today's session will be only in English. எல்லாத்துக்கும் இங்கிலீஷ் நல்லா தெரியும்லப்பா, நம்ம ஃபுல் செஷன் இங்கிலீஷில் தான் நடக்கும். But don't worry, you will be able to manage, okay? Because language of writing examination is in English only. So let me just explain everything in English. So நம்மளுடைய கிளாஸ் வந்து இங்கிலீஷ்லேயே போட்டோம், அதுதான் நல்லது நமக்கும். Calculator. Okay, so let us start, my dear. Once again, good evening all of you. I want you to attend the session till the end. Dharni, I am starting. See, let me just talk about this lecture. Okay, let me just talk about this lecture. What exactly we are going to do? See, in paper 3, the most crucial part is not the questions and its difficulties. The most crucial part is time constraint. Please understand. I always tell my students, if the same question paper, any paper, okay, final exam paper, you talk about any paper, instead of 2 hours, if they would have given you 2.5 hours, no one will fail in this exam. So here, content is not the problem. Here the main issue is what, my dear? Time constraint. So here today's session, I will tell you, I am going to solve the entire question paper within the time frame. Okay, within the time frame I am going to solve, and also with full explanation. It is not about me solving. Along with the explanation I am going to solve, and lot of hacks will be discussed. Hack means what? Trick, you can say. Hacks will be discussed, how to approach and all. For example, one small example I'll give you. For example, look at this. There is a question. Most of you know this, but still, allow me to explain. Root of 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus dot 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 up to infinity. Okay, root of 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus dot 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 up to infinity. If this is the question, okay. Now, how you will approach this question? How you will approach this question? If this is the question they ask you to find out, how you will approach the question? Sir, what we will do now, sir, we will take this as x. X is equal to root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus up to infinity. Then squaring on both sides, we will form a quadratic equation. Yes, this is what we do. But the same problem can be approached in different way. Okay, the same problem can be approached in different way. Okay, yes. Wait, my dear, please. Apple போட்டிங்களா லிங்க்? பசங்க இதுல ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. Okay, if at all you want to do this question, how you proceed? Sir, x is equal to, will form a quadratic equations, etc, etc. But instead of approaching like that, how can we do? I'll tell you. I can write the answer directly without doing anything. The answer is 3. Without doing anything, directly we can write the answer. What is the answer? Answer is 3. How we write the answer is 3? I will tell you the trick here. Of course, you need to understand the question. Root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus up to infinity. Now, this 6 can be written as product of 2 consecutive numbers. May I know what is the product of 2 consecutive numbers? 3 into 2. Is that right, my dear? Product of 2 consecutive numbers. 3 into 2. What is it? 3 into 2. What is the sign here? Plus sign. So, if at all there is a plus sign, then the greater number will be your answer. Answer is over. Same question. Can you give me the answer for this? Root of 12 minus root of 12 minus root of 12 minus up to infinity. What would be the answer for this? Yes. The answer is, oh, Palak Kanwar is giving 6. Okay. 6. People are giving me 6. My dear, you did not understand what exactly to be done. Product of two consecutive numbers. See, 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Two consecutive numbers. Am I right? Two consecutive numbers. Same way, 12 can be written as what? 12 can be written as what? Product of two consecutive numbers. 12 can be written as what? Very close, Ahmad. Yes, 12 can be written as product of two consecutive numbers, 4 into 3. Now, since there is a negative sign, so smaller number will be my answer. Answer over, my dear. The same question you can see it in your institute material also. This one, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus up to infinity. So instead of using quadratic equation, directly by applying this kind of shortcut trick, we can directly get the answer, my dear. Let us not waste our time. Okay, let us not waste our time. This is just an example. Let me give one more question from sequence and series. See, I will not be able to explain the entire tricks in one session. Okay. So today when I solve the questions, 100 questions I am going to solve. Wherever tricks possible, everywhere I am going to use it. Okay. Yes. Now let me just give you one sequence and series question. For example, in an AP, sum of n terms is equal to 2n square plus 3n. What is it? In an AP, sum of n terms is equal to 2n square plus 3n. Find sixth term of an AP. Find sixth term of an AP. Okay, find sixth term of an AP. Now, can anyone give me the answer for this question, my dear, directly without using any method? Can you please give me the answer directly? Small request to the students, our Thankyou students, please join on YouTube channel. Okay, please join on YouTube channel. Not here. Come to YouTube channel, my dear. Dinesh given me answer 25. Excellent, my dear. Okay, great. Let me check. What exactly the procedure might be? You may be using different procedures. Okay, you may be using different procedures. See, I will give you one trick. I will give you one hack. How to approach this? You know Sn, 2n square plus 3n. Find Tn. Find Tn. Okay, find Tn. How to find out Tn directly? In an AP, sum of sequences given to you, we need to find out Tn. Guys, listen here. Fantastic thing. Look at this. See, Tn is equal to 2n square. What is derivative of 2n square? What is derivative of 2n square? Can you please tell me what is? Everyone can say this, my dear. Okay, everyone can say this. This is not a rocket science. This is everyone can say this. What is derivative of 2n square? Yes, very good. Superb. Perfect. 4n. Perfect. Plus. Put plus sign. Open the bracket. Okay. Now, what is here? 3. What is here? 2. The coefficients. Okay. What is it, my dear? Coefficients. What is it? Coefficients. Okay. What is it? Coefficients. 3 and 2. Coefficients. Just take the coefficient and 3 minus 2. What exactly you are getting? N coefficient and n square coefficient. Just find the difference. Are you getting 4n plus 1? Yes. Now they ask you to find out sixth term. What is sixth term is? 4 into 6 plus 1, which is equal to 25. Direct answer, my dear. Direct answer without using any, sir. Most of the shortcuts are given like this. Find S1. 2 into 1 plus 3, 5. Find S2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So this can be done as 5 plus 9. Okay, then common difference is 4. This is what they do. But this is waste of time, my dear. We can get the answer directly. Okay. So I think people are asking once more. Okay, let me explain it once again. In an AP, sum of n terms is given. 2n square plus 3n. They ask you to find out sixth term. This is the question. Okay. Wait, my dear. Popped out. Okay. So sum of n terms of an AP is 2n square plus 3n. They ask you to find out sixth term. Simply what you do, Sn. Derivative of 2n square is 4n. And take the coefficients. 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2 is 1. So that's what 4n plus 1. In between the sign is plus only, 4n plus 1. So now we got 4n plus 1. This is our nth term. Once we get the nth term, then directly what we can find out, my dear? We can use E6. Put n equal to 6 and substitute, and you will get the answer. You understood, my dear? You understood this? Okay. So we can save lot of time, my dear. Somebody host people, please keep on allowing the students, because they are keep on joining and they are in the waiting room. I need someone, please do it. Okay. Yes. Okay. So first you need to understand this, my dear. You understood this? You all understood? Now today you go home, that is in your sequence and series question. This is going to be there. Of course, you will be solving it. Am I right? This is one small example from sequence and series. See, sequence and series, each and every question can be solved just like that. My simple instruction to all the students for paper 3, you should touch your pen only to mark the answer. Most of the time what you are doing is, you are keep on solving the problems. See, when you start keep on solving the problem, it is going to waste, it is going to kill your time like anything. We know, see, there is nothing to do with the mathematical skill. Anyone can do that, okay? Anyone can do that. For example, this is one famous example which I give you, and very famous problem, very famous problem. And so far in foundation exam, so many times this type of question they asked. For example, integration. Don't get shocked. Don't get shocked. This is what everyone can find out. Please look at this. 3 to 4, 7 minus x whole power 5 by 2, 7 minus x whole power 5 by 2 plus x power 5 by 2 dx. This is the question. Of course, it's a very important type of question. The classroom and all, we are solving it. Okay, in the classroom every time we are solving this question, and the people are definitely using the actual method. Some people are using the trick. May I know the answer for this? If anybody knows the trick, can you give me the answer directly? Yes? Now listen here. I will give the answer directly. This question, give options. Okay, what a brilliant thing. Okay, without knowing option also we can do it, my dear. Direct answer this is. Just do what I am saying. Just do what I am saying. Okay. See, this is a famous question. First you identify 3 plus 4 is 7. Actually people are using properties. Okay, integration properties they are using and they are solving it. But you are not supposed to waste your time. No, my dear Sanjay, Prasanna, no. I will tell you what exactly the trick is. What exactly the trick is. When you identify the types, are 4 plus 3 is 7. Yes. And 7 minus x irrespective of this power. Irrespective of this power. What we can do is, yes, upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. Answer is over. Okay. Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. That's it. Okay. Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. That is what your answer is. Okay. Now, for example, can you give me the answer for this? 0 to 2. 2 minus x whole power whole square x square plus 2 minus x whole square dx. Yes. Just orally give me the answer. No, Dinesh. Yes. Answer is 1. Why answer is 1? Upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, which is nothing but 1. Guys, I want you to give the answer directly. Okay, I want you to give the answer directly. See, these are small samples, my dear. These are very small samples. Okay, this is nothing. Whatever tricks available now, whatever hacks available now, this is actually nothing in front of the actual hacks. Okay, yes. Now, I think this one everyone knows it. X square into e power x dx. Everyone knows this. X square into e power x dx. I think almost all the coaching classes gives the trick. Of course, that trick is fantastic trick, my dear. Okay, integral of x square into e power x dx. Most of the people are leaving this sum unnecessarily and they are asking continuously in the examination, but we are leaving this question unnecessarily. I don't suggest you to leave this question unnecessarily. What you can do, direct answer you can write. Just follow what I am saying. Okay, just follow what I am saying. Look at this. Keep e power x outside. Open the brackets. Okay. open the brackets, keep e power x outside and open the brackets. What is it, my dear? First term, what is it? X square. Write x square as it is. Okay, x square as it is you have to write. X square as it is you have to write. Next, basic derivatives everyone can do. Okay, basic derivatives everyone can do. What is basic derivative, my dear? Look at this. What is derivative of x square? What is derivative of x square? 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x. What is derivative of 2x? 2 plus c. Am I right, my dear? Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2. Next, signs. First, alternate signs only. First one is always plus. Second one minus. Second plus. Answer over, my dear. Okay. Answer is over. Of course, as I told you, this many of you might aware about this. Okay. Answer is over. Integral of x square into e power x dx is equal to e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. Answer is over. What if x square into e power 2x dx is given? What if x square into, sir, e power some other than x, if something else is given, 2x or 3x, something like that is given, then what to do, sir? Same rule, no need to change any rule. You write it as e power 2x as it is. Now, what is first term? Sir, x square. What is derivative of x square? 2x. What is derivative of 2x? 2. Okay. Now, do what I am saying. What is coefficient of x here? What is coefficient of x here? 2. So, by 2 square by 2 cube plus c plus minus plus. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Is it clear? Yes. By 2, by 4, by 8. Can you practice one sum on your own? X cube into e power 3x dx is equal to. Can you please practice this sum? Guys, definitely I'm going to tell you today's session some tricks and the questions I'm going to solve, and you will thank me later for sure, because in the examination these are the types of questions are expected, and unnecessarily we are leaving integration. Sir, it is very difficult, sir. If you ask me frankly, it is not at all difficult. It is very, very simple. Okay. Now, I hope you did it, right? Yes. Can you do it? Sir, e power 3x as it is. Am I allowed some Vardillama answers? I think you hope you all are getting the answers right. You keep e power 3x as it is. First term is x cube. Second term, what is derivative of x cube is? 3x square. Very good. Third term is 6x. Perfect. What is the fourth term? 6. Sir, derivative of x cube is 3x square, sir. 3x square derivative is 6x, sir. 6x derivative is 6, sir. Now, coefficient of x is 3, sir. 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4 plus c plus minus plus minus. Is that right, my dear? Correct. I hope you all got the same answer. I hope you all got the same answer. Correct? Yes. See, guys, I think generally what in all the institutes they teach this trick, of course, because it's a famous one. It's a famous one, but still I'm telling you, those who are learning it for the first time, and definitely will enjoy this, my dear. If it comes in the examination, just like that you can do. Yes, Dinesh, you are right. So, unnecessarily how big step we used to do, but now it is not there. Okay. Now, let me give you one more hack. I don't know whether whether people give this hack or not. Okay. But still, integral of 2 power x into x square dx. Now, this is the question. Instead of e power x, what do we have, my dear? Instead of e power x, what do we have? Instead of e power x, what do we have? 2 power x. Now, tell me, my dear, what is the integral of e power x is e power x. Derivative of e power x is e power x. Integral of a power x is what? A power x by log a. Sir, I iduvaraikkum integration pannade illa, sir. Okay, sir. Some people may say, sir, I have not done integration before, sir. Very good, my dear. You no need to do integration. That is not supposed to be done. You just trust me, my dear. What I do, just follow it. Yes, answer for the last question. Don't know, Joshita, which one? I think answer for the last question we did, no? This question I'm solving. Now look at this. I'm not going to change the procedure. All of you please listen here. is equal to, keep 2 power x as it is. Keep 2 power x as it is. Here instead of a, we have 2. Just remember this. X square. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 2x is 2. Very good. And 2 power x. That means here log a comes in the denominator. Here what will come in the denominator? Log 2. Log 2 by log 2 the whole square by log 2 the whole cube. Got my point, my dear? Plus c. Plus, minus, plus. Answer over. There is a student called Anbu. He is asking me what is mean by integration. Very good, Anbu. 14th we have got exam. Okay. கலாய்க்கிறது கேட்டியே எது கேட்டேன்லாம் தெரியல. சீரியஸாக கேட்டிருந்த அன்னைக்கு தயவு செஞ்சு பண்ண வேண்டாம். ஓகே, பட் கலாய்க்கிறதா இருந்த அன்னைக்கு தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் கலாச்சிஃபைங். நெக்ஸ்ட். ஓகே. Now listen here, my dear. Of course you understand this, right? Just for fun. Okay. Apna okay. Kalachita paninu. Thank you. Okay. You understood this? You understood this, my dear? Now listen here. Sir, you are giving only law, integration tricks and integration hacks, sir. Let me answer this question, my dear. Let me answer this question. Why I am giving this, you know? Because most of the paper 3 students are leaving this chapter in option. Okay, they are not preparing it. Okay, so I want you to prepare this topic also, because this topic is not, you know, it is not rocket science what we have got in our syllabus. People are making it difficult. See, as a faculties, if we just show you this is very simple, why you have to come to attend my lecture? Correct? So you will not come and attend my lectures. If I am showing it is very difficult, then definitely you are going to come and attend the lecture. That's what happening here. Okay. Yes. Now listen here, my dear. But remember, these are the questions whatever I am solving now. In the examination they are asking. Okay. Please understand, we are not wasting our time. But remember, I just called you today to solve MTP. I don't know whether I am going to start, because most of the people are asking me the tricks only in the message box. I am receiving, sir. Give me the hacks, give me the tricks, give me the shortcuts, you people are saying. But still, we will wait. Okay, let me just, I have got, see, one lecture is not enough for the hacks. Please understand. Okay, but I can cover the entire mathematics hacks in 3 hours time. That is not a big deal. But I need your cooperation. I am doing this for free. No need anything. Just come and attend my lecture. That is, we ourselves called you. Come and attend. We don't want anything else. But please take some benefit out of it, my dear. Okay. Yes, Ashmika, everything I'll tell you, please. In everyone, different questions they are asking. Okay, log x the whole square. Log x the whole square. Now listen here. What is log x the whole square? Generally what you do, sir, by looking at the question we will leave and come. Or otherwise integral by parts you will be applying. But remember, my dear, trust me, nothing needed. Okay, nothing needed. Sir, please take hacks alone. Don't worry, I'll help you out, my dear. Now we have got plenty of time. I will help you out. Don't worry, I will take that responsibility. Akash Ganesh is asking how to revise. Akash, please wait. Okay, today I'll give all the instructions. Okay, if all are demanding, definitely I'll be doing it. Okay, definitely I'll be doing it. Don't worry. It's based on your requirement. Now listen here, integral of log x the whole square. Of course, by looking at the question, you will be leaving this question, leaving this. But what I'm saying is, trust me, my dear, you are not supposed to leave this. In 5 seconds, you can get the answer. Sir, I have not done integration before, sir. No need. You are not in integration. I don't want you to do integration at all. Leave. Forget about integration, because I solve integration without using integral formulas. I solve integrations. Okay, I'll show you. Few more things are coming. No, wrong, my dear Dinesh, wrong. Sir, take one more lecture only for hacks. Now listen here. Just do what I'm saying, keep x outside. Okay, just do what I'm saying, keep x outside. Open the brackets. Okay, what is here? Log x the whole square. And especially the students who have done integration, in your 11th and 12th, please forgive me because I'm going to break all the rules. So you may think that integration, you may be just feeling like, yes, we were scholars when you are doing integrations, but here no scholar thing is all needed. Some basic principles, if you remember, anyone can give integral answers. X, you keep x outside. What is here? Log x the whole square. Just do what I am saying. Don't ask, sir, why? Please, only enjoy the fruit. What is here? Log x the whole square. Okay, whatever term that you need to write. First, always x is mandatory. Log x the whole square. Now listen here, my dear. What is derivative of x square? What is derivative of x square? It's a basic derivative. What is derivative of x square? 2x. So derivative of log x. Okay, Gayu sir, please help us to pass in exam. Don't worry, paper 3, you just leave it to me. I am there. Okay. Yes. Now, log x the whole square. What is derivative of x square? What you said? What is derivative of x square? 2x. So you just write 2 log x. What is derivative of 2x? 2. Only write 2. Plus c. Plus minus plus. Answer over. Array 1 by x, you forget about 1 by x. That's what I said, Srinidhi. Forget about 1 by x. Okay. Forget about 1 by x. Don't worry about 1 by x. No need to apply this composite rule and all. 1 by x, you forget about it. Okay. Only just keep on differentiating. Instead of log x, if there is x, what you would have done? The same rule only you to follow. Nothing else. For example, can you tell me log x the whole cube answer? I think anyone can give the answer. Sir, I'll open the brackets. X, open the brackets. Log x the whole cube. Okay. Sir, can I pass only by attending the session? So please note down my number and call me later. I will just help you out. Yes, time value of money trick, everything I will give you. Don't worry, my dear, please. One day I cannot give it. So it's a very big syllabus, na? At least give me 2 days time. If you are attending tomorrow also, yes, of course, I am ready to help you out. Wait, okay? Okay. Yes, log x the whole cube. Can you give me the answer, my dear? Can you give me the answer? Log x the whole cube minus 3 log x the whole square plus 6 log x plus minus 6. Is that right? Is that right? That's it. See, Dinesh, you got fantastic answer, my dear. Perfect. You're right. Great. Yes. Now, one more brilliant hack from integration again. I'm going to give you 2 more hacks. Okay, with that I'm just going to stop integration hacks. But those hacks, why I'm just telling you, no, these are the questions where we used to find very difficult and we used to take lot of time to solve. Okay, now look at this, how I approach. For this, you don't no need to be a mathematics student. Please understand, because I always respect the students who have not done mathematics before. Yes, Joshita, don't worry. Yes, tomorrow also I have. I have few more days. Don't worry. Okay, it is only your cooperation needed. If you are ready to support me, I am ready to take the lecture. Okay, please wait. Integral of e power x into x minus 1 by x square dx. E power x into x minus 1 by x square dx. Sir, I know it, sir. There is a rule, sir. Integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. Then it is equal to e power x into f of x. Guys, how a non-mathematics student, how a student who have not done mathematics before, how a student who was struggling in mathematics can understand this? Okay, for you, one thing I'll tell you. Along with e power x, some abnormal fractions are there. Algebraic fractions are there. Just trust me and follow what I'm saying. Simply what you do, you know, nothing. Whatever is there in the denominator, na, x square we have got, reduce 1 degree, answer over. Reduce 1 degree, answer is over. What integration formula is needed here? Now same way, look at this, one more sum I'll give. Now, look at this. 2 minus x divided by 1 plus x the whole square. Now give me the answer. Now give me the answer. I think you can give me the answer. Directly you can give me the answer. Directly you can give me the answer. Sir, what I'll do now, sir, I'll write e power x as it is. In the denominator, sir, 1 plus x the whole square, sir, I'll make it as 1 plus x, sir. Is that correct, my dear? Answer over. Do you think you require mathematical knowledge for this type of questions? No, but when it comes in the examination, definitely you can do it. Yes, see, everyone is giving me the answer. Excellent, my dear. Guys, are you all enjoying this? Deepak is, everyone is asking, keep on asking the statistics what to do. I am just giving, I am asking you some time. Okay, please allow me. I am taking the responsibility of your paper 3. Okay, I am taking the responsibility of paper 3. Don't worry, leave it to me. But I want you to, to touch with me. That is your responsibility, my dear. Okay, yeah. Now, the most important question and the very lengthy question. I'm just telling you how we got cheated, okay, when we were in 12th standard. That C is constant, my dear. Whenever you do integration, that C by default it will come. Sometimes K they may use, okay, sometimes K they may use. Now tell me, integral of 6x plus 11 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. And what is the name of the method? The people who knows the method, can you please tell me what is the name of the method? Yes, partial fraction method, okay, partial fraction method. Rima noted, don't worry Rima, everything. Yes, partial fraction method. Now Muzammil, Vainusha, Aditya, I am just going to solve this problem without applying partial fraction method, just in one line. That is, you are going to write the answer directly. Are you all ready? You are going to write the answer directly, but you need to follow what I am saying. Okay, look at this. What is there in the denominator? X minus 2 into x minus 3, x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, don't worry, my dear. In the classroom also there are few children we have got, so they are also attending. Yes, Revati, I will do it, don't worry. X minus 2 into x minus 3. Simply what you do, log of x minus 2, log of x minus 3 plus c. Am I right, my dear? Log of x minus 2 and log of x minus 3 plus c. What you did, sir? There are two things, na? X minus 2 and x minus 3. I just write it as log x minus 2, log x minus 3. My dear, to write this, you no need to be a mathematics student. Please understand. You no need to be a mathematics student. Okay? Yes. Now listen here. Just now do what I am saying. Your answer is done. Look at this, my dear. What do we have here? X minus 2. What do we have? X minus 2. What do we have? X minus 2. If there is x minus 2, remember, substitute x is equal to 2. Okay. Substitute x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2. Where to substitute? On the left hand side. I think you can substitute orally. But when you substitute x is equal to 2, except in x minus 2, rest of the places you substitute. Okay. When you substitute x is equal to 2 in x minus 2, what happens? It will become 0 in the denominator, which is not possible. Am I right, my dear? So, substitute x is equal to 2 except in x minus 2. Now listen here, what you are going to get? Tell me. Sir, 6 into 2 plus 11 divided by 2 minus 3, sir. 12 plus 11 is what? 23. 23 by minus 1, what is it? What is it? Minus? 23 minus 1 is 23 by minus 1. So, is it nothing but minus 23? You put minus 23, very good. I think next step what you have to do, you know it, right? Next step what you have to do, you know it. Sir, next one is x minus 3, sir. I will put x is equal to 3, sir. Except in x minus 3, rest of the places you will put x is equal to 3. Tell me what you are going to get. Sir, 6 into 3 plus 11 divided by 3 minus 2. Tell me what you are getting, my dear. Please tell me, my dear. What is the answer? 20? What you are getting, my dear? 18 plus 11 is 29. Is it nothing but plus 29? Can you believe answer is over? Can you believe answer is over? That's it. Okay, this is what partial fraction is. I think the people who have done partial fraction problems, Such a big method. Now how you are able to solve it, my dear? Just like that you can do it. Do you all agree with me? The most difficult sum I took and solve it, my dear. Sir, are they asking in the question? Of course, my dear, in the examination they are asking. Okay, in the examination they are asking this partial fraction. Many questions they are asking. Please don't ignore. At least today's session, whatever in integration I am covering, some methods I am covering, okay, you at least keep it with you. I am just telling you, if luck goes well, within this only, because I'm covering the entire syllabus actually speaking. Within this only questions are going to come. Please remember, you are not wasting your time. Actually, you are actually using your time properly. Look at this, my dear. Now, next part. Can you do one problem? Are you ready to do one problem? Yes? Are you ready to do one problem? I think somebody is asking, explain me again. Arey, my dear, if I keep on explaining what to do. Yes, listen here. Can I explain? Can I explain one more sum? You are ready to do, right? Do it. 5x divided by x plus 3 into x plus 4 dx. Can you please try this? Can you please try this? Sir, what if x minus 2 the whole square into x minus 3? Yes, for that also we have got trick, my dear. But today we won't be able to do it, Karthik. It will take some more explanation. You see, many students are already they are planning to leave this topic. So if I just keep on doing some more difficult problems, they will get upset now, my dear. Let us not make them upset. If you want, you call me, I will explain. At the end of the session, I will give my phone number, and please don't worry, don't hesitate to call me for any doubts. Okay, not a big deal. Now, can you please solve this? Wow, my PC gave me the answer. My PC means the student name is my PC. Okay, so I think he gave the answer. I don't know whether it is right or wrong. He gave this one, minus 15 log x plus 3 plus, I think everyone is giving 20 log x plus 4 plus c. Wow, fantastic. Venusha, I think you did some mistake, it seems. Getting confidence now only. Great, okay. Is it right? Is the answer is correct? Minus 15 log x plus 3 plus 20 log x plus 4. Yeah. Yes. My dear, hope all are getting this, right? Typing mistake, okay. Yeah. Now let us take one call. Should I solve MTP or should I continue with this hacks? So that tomorrow also we can solve MTPs. Let us apply this hacks tomorrow also. What do you want me to do? You tell me now. Hacks. Both. Both means it will take a lot of time, my dear. Achha, everyone is talking about hacks only. MTP tomorrow, okay. Continue hacks and tricks. Tomorrow MTP. Go with hacks. Okay. Yes. I hope everyone is happy if I go with hacks, because I will just keep on talking about the hacks and I'll keep on talking about the important types of questions. Okay, I will solve few MTP questions also so that you may get some confidence, right? Okay, for few MTP question also we will be solving. Okay. David is saying, tomorrow also it's hack, na sir, it is also okay, sir, please. Okay, sir, teach hacks by solving MTP. Yes, my dear, I can do that. But first of all, you should know what are the hacks available, na? If I keep on solving it, how you will understand? Yes, Jay, thank you. I'm a good hacker. Thank you. Yes, definitely I'll be solving for you MCQs. Don't worry, be happy. Now listen here. Now derivatives, one small hack. Okay, derivatives, one small hack. Integration, there is one more beautiful hack is available. I'll tell you that. See, I don't hide anything, my dear. I just keep on telling everything. Don't worry. Okay, it's not about you attended my sessions or not. Look at this. You please help this with your friends also. Huh? Those who did not attend, you please tell them. Please help them also. so that let them also get the benefit, my dear. Yeah, integral of x square plus 5 into x dx. Now listen here, Srinidhi, you need to just, I'm keep on explaining the type of questions. By looking at the type of questions, you can easily understand. Don't worry, because first time you are looking at the question, that's what small confusion is there. But when you just get practice, you just ask my students in my class, they don't write notes in mathematics. Hardly what, not even half page, half book they completed, full paper, free, math, stats and logical, because I don't allow any student to write notes. Can you believe that? They have to get the answer directly. Yes, integral of x square plus 5 into x dx. Now how you do it? You tell me. How you will follow? You tell me. What exactly the method? What exactly the procedure? Sir, we will use substitution method. Sorry, this is very simple. 5 by 2, 5. Power 5 by 2 or any power, anything. No, UV method, no highlight method. Now you tell me. I think I missed one thing. Now tell me, my dear. Power 5 by 2. What exactly the method is? What exactly the method is? I hope you will be solving by substitution method, right? But I don't want you to apply any substitution method here. Directly I want you to write the answer, okay? Because I always think about the students who have not done mathematics before, and this trick is for those people only. Now, for the students who are leaving integration in option, for you, there is integral basic formula. Everyone knows it. What is it? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Am I right? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now, this is the basic formula. That's what you need to understand. One simple procedure I'll tell you. There is some abnormal function, power 5 by 2, power 7, power 10, something like that. Okay. Now, what do we have here? X square. Outside the bracket, we will have x. Inside the bracket, if there is x cube, outside the bracket, what you will have? X square. Inside the bracket, x power 4. Outside the bracket, what you will have? X cube. This is the format. Okay. Format will be always like this. Then only you will be able to use substitution method. But without applying substitution method, we can get the answer. That is, you are going to write the answer directly. Look at this. What you need to do, I'll tell you. Direct answer, huh? X square plus 5 whole power. What is here in the index? 5 by 2. Just add plus 1. What is 5 by 2 plus 1? What is 5 by 2 plus 1? What is 5 by 2 plus 1? 7 by 2. Very good. Write 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 plus c. But the answer is not yet over. Wait. Okay. Then one more very important part what we need to do is, this is index, right? This into this index, x power x index and the whole index to be multiplied. What is it? 2 into 7 by 2. Tell me what is 2 into 7 by 2? Get cancelled. What is it? Get cancelled. So what is your answer? 2 by 49 into x square plus 5 whole power 7 by 2 plus c. I will do one more sum. Don't worry. Wait. I will do one more sum so that you can get the idea. I will do one more sum. Wait. This is little difficult question I took the beginning itself. I would have taken the simple question. For example, x cube plus 3 whole power 7. Outside the bracket, what you will have? Of course, x square only you will have. Sir, if not x square, no my dear, x square only will be there. Don't worry. Now, tell me the answer. X cube plus 3 whole power 8 by 8. Then what to do? Okay, sorry. Now, what is there, my dear? Actually, it has to be multiplied. I just did one mistake. The 7 will not come. Sorry. Now, 3 into 8, this is 8. Just directly multiply 3 8s are? Directly multiply 3 8s are? 24. That has to come in the denominator. That's it. Okay. Actually, here I did a mistake. Please wait. Ignore that. One more. X square plus 5 whole power 6 into x dx. Tell me what is the answer? Tell me what is the answer? X square plus 5 whole power 7. 7 twos are 14 plus C. Answer over. Yeah. Yo, Venkatesh, I did a mistake. In that question, I did a mistake. In this question, I did a mistake. Sorry. Actually, what I have to do? Simply, I have to do 2 into 7 by 2. What is 2 into 7 by 2? 2 to get cancelled 7. That's it. Simple, my dear. Can you do one sum? Can you do one sum? I think people who have done by using substitution method, maybe what thinking, array, what sir is doing, but simple, my dear, this is what we have to do. Now, can you do one sum? 8x into x square minus 7 whole power 6 dx. Yeah. Sir, here 8 is extra, sir. Keep that 8 as it is, my dear. Keep it outside. What exactly you are getting? Tell me. What exactly you are getting? What you will get? X square minus 7. Very good. Whole power 7 by 14. Ah, brilliant. Over. 4s are 7s are. After that, the cancellation is possible. Otherwise, what we have to do, put x square minus 7 is equal to t. Okay, 2x dx is equal to dt, x dx is equal to dt by 2. Then substitute here. Okay, 8 into dt by 2 into x square minus 7, that is t power 6 dx, t power 7 by 7, that is which is nothing but 14 you are going to get. Why unnecessarily we have to waste our time, my dear? Okay, why we have to waste our time? Okay. Yes. Guys, you understood the method, substitution method. I think now you will pray to God, array, let these type of questions comes from integration. I know it. Okay. Yes. Now, y is equal to 3x plus 5 divided by 7x plus 2. Find dy by dx. What exactly method you will follow? Correlation integration. This is derivatives. Correlation. Heart attack. Correlation integration. Quotient rule. Yes, Varun. Very good. Quotient rule. No. See, I actually here the classroom student now they said correlation regression instead of quotient rule. That's what I was laughing. Okay. No, not UV method. It is U by V method. Now look at this. Now I'm going to tell you how to write the answer directly. How to write the answer directly. Do you know how to do it? Huh? Eh, shortcut. Just do what I'm saying, my dear. AC போட்டுட்டுறோம். கீழ remote வாங்கிட்டு வந்து போட சொல்லுங்க. Okay, just do what I'm saying. Look at this. Array, no U by V rule and all needed. No U by V rule and all needed. Just follow my rule. Cross multiply. 2 3s are 6. Minus. In between minus and only should come. 7 5s are 35. Divided by 7x plus 2, the whole square. Answer over. Over answer. 6 minus 35 is what? Minus 29. Guys, you understand? Guys, you understood this? By cross multiplication, 2 3s are 6, 7 5s are 35, 6 minus 35 divided by 7x, whatever is there in the denominator, its square should come. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Rahul. Permutation combination, you have got lot of things to do. Very simple. You people are making it complicated. You understand this? You tell me, my dear, you understand this or not? One more sum you want to do? Can you do this? Can you find dy by dx? Can you do dy by dx? Huh? 6 minus 35. Why minus 29, my dear? 6 minus 35. No, 6 minus 35 is 6 plus 35, na? It should be 6 plus 35, right? Minus, see 6 minus of, see 6 minus of 5 into minus 7 we have, na? Minus 35. Minus only to be taken. Whatever, see, if you ignore the sign, 5x minus 2 means minus 6 would have come. And the denominator, the whole square. Okay? Yes. I think. Now listen here. See, in derivatives you can expect this type of questions. Find dy by dx. Of course, you have seen these type of questions, right? Yes. X cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equal to 0. My dear, my only aim is what you know. Don't leave these type of questions. That is the reason I am teaching you all. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? This is implicit function. What is this? Implicit function. Now, sir, I know what to do, sir. Dy by dx 1 by 1 you will be doing. My dear children, no need to do like that. Just follow what I am saying. Just follow what I am saying. In one line you will be getting the answer. Okay. Especially math students are going to definitely enjoy this. For non-mathematics students, don't worry. Some more problems are coming. Wait. Some more tricks are coming. Okay. Yes. Dy by dx is equal to. First of all, let us identify the implicit function. Guys, this trick, this hack is specially for students who know mathematics very well. Just non-mathematics students who know basic derivatives. For them also it is useful. Okay, for them also it is useful. So one sum, let me do it for those people. So x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube equal to 0. It's an implicit function. So first step, what we need to do, in one step I am going to write the answer. Okay, this is the answer I am going to write. I am not going to keep on solving it. It is waste of time. What can be done? I will tell you. Dy by dx. Is it the equation in terms of x and y together? That's what we call it as implicit function. Rule number 1. When you see the equation in terms of x and y together, everything should be there on that is the equation, that is variable should be there on the right hand, left hand side. Right hand side should be 0 only. So right hand side whatever is there, you need to bring it to left hand side. Right right side should be 0. That's what you need to remember. This is step number 1. Step number 2. Next step, write the answer. Dy by dx minus, compulsory, mandatory. Open the brackets. Okay, open the brackets. Okay, underline. Now what can be done? I'll tell you. What can be done? I'll tell you. See, numerator and denominator. What should come in the numerator? What should come in the denominator? One small rule I'll tell you. Numerator, to write everything in the numerator, my dear non-mathematics students, you also will understand because I am going to use very basic derivatives. I understand your feeling. I am using very basic derivatives. You can also follow. Okay, let me teach this very slowly. X cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. Now, numerator, I am going to differentiate with respect to x, keeping y constant. Keeping y constant. What is mean by that? For example, can you tell me what is derivative of 2x square? 4x. Derivative of 2x square is what? 4x. Now, derivative of x square y? 2xy. Okay. That means y you are not supposed to do anything. Y is constant. So please listen here what I am saying. I am going to differentiate. For numerator I am going to differentiate with respect to x, keeping y constant. Now, do we have x in the first term? Do we have x in the first term? Yes sir, we have x in the first term. What is derivative of x cube? Write that. 3x square. Do we have x in the second term? Yes sir, x is there sir. What is there? X square. What is there? X square. Only differentiate x square. What is derivative of x square? 2x. Plus, because here sign is 2. Why keep as it is? Because y is constant for us. Plus, do we have x in the third term? Do we have x in the third term? Yes. What is derivative of x? 1. So what is remaining? Y square. Do we have x in the fourth term? No sir. So it will be 0. Am I right, my dear? That's it. Now come to denominator. Same rule, but for what? Differentiate with respect to y, keeping x constant. Very good. Now tell me, do we have y in the first term? No. Is it, can I take it as 0? Do we have y in the second term? Yes. So what is derivative of y is 1 only you should take, plus x square. Do we have y in the third term? Yes sir, we have got y square sir. What is derivative of y square? 2a, 2y. So you will be getting 2xy. Am I right, my dear? You will be getting 2xy. Now, do we have y in the third term? Fourth term, sorry. What is there? Y cube. What is derivative of y cube? 3y square. Answer over. That's it. Guys, you understood? Huh? No, it is integration only plus c. What instead of 0? Please repeat, sir. Now, instead of repeating this question, let me solve one more question. Look at this. Very famous question. 12th standard math students can relate this. Correct? Yes, Vikas. Now, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Shall we start? Now look at this. dy by dx equal to minus, open the bracket, something upon something, close the bracket. So first right hand side is 0 only, so I can directly do it. Now, numerator differentiate with respect to x. Ax square. What is derivative of ax square? What is derivative of ax square? Do we have x in the first term? Yes, sir. What we have? X square, sir. So what will come, my dear? Can you please tell me? 2ax. Very good. Do we have x in the second term? Yes. What is derivative of x is? 1. So remaining everything you write. 2hy. Am I right? Next. Do we have x in the third term? No, sir. Leave it, sir. Now come to denominator. Vice versa. Differentiate with respect to y, keeping x constant. Do we have y in the first term? No, sir. It is 0. Do we have y in the second term? So what is derivative of y? 1. Derivative of y is what? 1. So what is remaining? Plus. What is derivative of by square? No, sorry. Do we have x in the third term? Yes, sir. Sorry. Y in the third term? Yes, sir. What is derivative of y square? 2y. So what will come, my dear? 2by. Fantastic. I think you got the answer. So everywhere 2 is common, that you remove it. Answer is over. Guys, students, mathematics students, you are enjoying it? Maybe what non-mathematics students may find a little difficult, but otherwise, I think other students can easily relate. Yeah? Fine. So, whatever I did now, my dear, these are small samples. Okay, again I am telling you, I have not done with the hacks. There are so many things are there. Okay, I think the students who are attending, my students who are attending, I think you can easily understand the difference. Okay, see, listen here, what mistake most of you people are committing, I'll tell you. Okay, what mistake most of you people are committing in paper 3? You are just thinking that paper 3 means it's a pure mathematics paper, I have to write everything. No, it is actually what competitive exam. In competitive exam, how you are getting answer, not important. What is the answer is important. Okay, this is very important thing. What you people are doing, your mistake, unnecessary waste of time. There is so many places now. You just keep on solving the questions. Okay, unnecessary questions you are solving, unnecessary method you are using, which is not great. For example, I will tell you. For example, can I give you one Unwanted question. Okay, look at this. How you follow in the classroom and how I am going to follow. The same question how can be approached. Look at this. One small example I'll give you. Okay. Yes, Ashwin, how we are realizing how foolish we were in our schools, sir, of course. Yes, Sunit, I will help you out, don't worry. Okay, even non-mathematics students also enjoying. Very good. Now this is the question. How we approach, you tell me. How we approach this? 3 power x is equal to 5 power x equal to 75 z. What do you do? Sir, is equal to k, sir. 3 is equal to k power 1 by x, sir. 5 is equal to k power 1 by y, sir. 75 is equal to k power 1 by z, sir. Hey, why the hell you are doing like this? This is actually, yes, this is actually what you know cannot be followed by the actual method. This is waste of time. Again, I'm telling you, waste of time. Just think how I'm solving. Okay, listen here. $75. Always now there will be relation between 3, 5 and 75. Always there will be relation between 3, 5 and 75. Always there will be relation between 3, 5 and 75. What is the relation? I'll tell you. 75 can be written as 3 into 5 square equal to 75. Am I right, my dear? Can you write this? 5 cube, Dinesh, it is 5 square. Can you write this? Is it right? 3 into 5 square equal to 75. I think everyone can do this. Am I right? Can anyone can do it? Am I right or not, my dear? Yes, everyone can do that. See, here you don't require my support. You don't need to be a mathematical scholar. 3 into 5 square equal to 75. Look at this. 3 power 1 into 5 power 2 into 75 power 1. Okay. I'm just writing the index. Okay, I'm just writing the index. Now listen here. Answer is just no. Look at this. I'm just writing the index. Now follow what I'm saying. Take this. See here, no mathematics rule, my dear. No more mathematics. Okay, nothing. Mathematics and all not needed. Remember one thing, in the ICI, they are not expecting Ramanujam or Shakuntala Devi. Okay, that you remember. They want chartered accountants. No need to behave like Ramanujam or Shakuntala Devi. Next step, answer. What is there in the index? 1. 3 index is 1. And here, what is 3's index? X. 1. And what is here? So simply you write 1 by x. Okay. You know, in index, if multiplication means addition, so here there is multiplication plus 5 square. What is there in the index? What is there in the index? So what will come? Very good. In between equal to. What is there in the index? What is there in the index? Over. You understood, my dear? People, you understand this? You have seen these type of questions before, right? You have seen these type of questions before. You know, equal to k you would have taken. See, nothing is needed. Only this number has to be written like this and direct answer can be given. You all agree with me? Yes? Very good. Okay. Yes. Now listen here. Instead of doing this, let me have one more problem. Look at this. Now, you don't require even the question also. Question also not needed. You can frame your own question by looking at this. Sir, 2, 3, 6. Do we have relation? Do we have relation? Yes, sir. What is it? Sir, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, sir. Correct? I think answer is over. Tell me what is it? 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by minus z. Am I right? 1 by minus z. Bring that minus z to left hand side. 0, that's it. Correct. Yes, that's it. See, similar type of question. There are so many questions are available in your this time. Yes, Sadhana. Nothing. Okay. Yeah. So that integration derivatives, what I taught is very, very few. Okay. Yes, Irfan. Thank you. Now 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equal to 0. You all understand this, my dear? Okay. Yes. Fine. See, in ratio, proportion, indices and log, there are so many tricks. Again, I'm telling you, I can tell you, my dear, each and every problem can be approached by using hacks. It is not about solving the problem. By looking at the question, you can get the answer. Okay, that is the way we can follow. Okay, so, but I'm not going to say everything is in 1 or 2 hours I can do it. That is not the right thing. But I will try my level best to cover maximum things. But remember, it is not about what not exam point of view. Everything is what exam point of view only. Okay, everything is exam point of view only. Now, there are few more things are there. Yes, can do probability tricks, not now. Okay. Yes. Fine. Listen here. They thought the math. Remember one thing, you can follow our Thankyou channel there now. In my YouTube, I've just uh, conducted on program how to approach mathematics. These programs are live programs. So many programs I conducted. Okay, I think this is the first time you got my message. Okay, so the YouTube channel, how to approach paper 3, what are the topics, important topics, everything is done. Okay, so please once again go through it. Now let me solve few questions from MTP. Okay, are you ready? Yes, Ben. First class, na, correct. And this class also, na, we only keep on calling so many things. Say we how many people might have spoken to you, don't know. So fine. YouTube channel name, it's came. See, look at that. Okay, shall we start? I'm not sure today I'll be completing each and every question. So today few questions will be solving. Tomorrow the remaining I will be solving. Okay. Because based on your request, I have done so many hacks. Yeah. Sir, give an idea how to figure out which type of question they are asking in time value of money, whether they are asking present value or future. He is asking. Take revision. We'll come get back to you later. Okay. No need to. Huh? Is it fine? Yes. Guys, remember. See, I cannot keep on doing the tricks, or I can complete the tricks, but I not that every all the tricks can be completed in one single class. Yes, Narmada will go with the tricks only, but here the questions, in the question itself I'll approach the trick. Okay, trick wise I'll approach. Okay, I'm going to explain, don't worry. Now look at this. Two minutes, Mike. Yes, I hope you can read this, right? Listen here, I can tell you this mock test paper, very standard paper, very standard paper. Okay, now index number, if this, sorry, indices, if this is the question, when it asked in the examination. If at all, for example, I am approaching, okay, I am approaching, by looking at the question, what I will do, you know, not attend. I will not attend at the beginning, okay. If I am writing your examination, I will not write this question at the beginning because it is waste of time for me. Okay, it is definitely time consuming. So, of course, I will not. Okay, first, but I am going to do it here, but in the examination. Okay, please help us. Probably, hey, my dear, I am ready to help everything. Don't worry. Now, next time when I just give the heading, will you come and join? Will you do that? I am ready to help. It is about you people have to come and attend. Okay, I am ready to do everything for you. Don't worry. What is the more important from examination point of view, RTP or MTP? Okay. Yes. If you are ready to attend, I am ready to do that. Okay. Now, if at all I am just looking at this question, see, here also I am going to cover so many tricks. Okay. Yeah. Come na, then okay, I will do it. Root 3 power 5 by 2 whole power divided by 9, 9 by 3 root 3 whole power 7 by 2 into 9 is equal to. Now, as I told you, if this question comes in the exam, what I will do? I will not touch this sum. Okay, I will not touch this sum. But how to approach? 3 and 9. Sir, by looking at the question, one thing is sure, sir, everything in terms of 3, sir. Okay. Sir, please help us to crack MOD or measure of central tendency and measure of dispersion with hacks. Okay. Which question paper? What question paper this is, sir? I say mock test paper. Yes, my dear. I say mock test paper this November attempt. Okay. No need to leave, my dear. You please stay, and you definitely are going to get benefit, because if I just teach the trick now, you will enjoy the trick. But if you don't know how to approach it in the examination, then there is no use. Now what I am doing, I am just trying to approach. That is, I am writing the examination. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Reshma. Now, can I write it as 3 power 1 by 2? This root 3 can be written as 3 power 1 by 2 into 5 by 2 divided by 9. Power of 3 you can write 3 square into 5 by 2 into 3 square into 7 by 2 divided by 3 into, no, let me just, 3 power 7 by 2 into 3 power 1 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 3 square. Everything I am writing in terms of 3. Everything I am writing in terms of 3. Yes, Pranav, you are right. Everything I am writing in terms of 3. Now, listen here. 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. Right? Fine. Now, 3 power 5, and here what is it? 3 power 7. That is also getting cancelled. Let it be 3 power 1 by 2 into 5 by 2. What is it? 5 by 4 whole power 3 power 5, 3 power 7, again 3 square. So denominator is gone, into 3 square divided by 3 power 7 by 2 into 3 power 1 by 2 into 7 by 2. What is it? 3 power 7 by 4. Is that right, my dear? 3 power 7 by 4. Param, am I doing correct, my dear? Is it right? Just correct me if I am wrong. Okay, as I told you, this is waste of time. See, I always tell my students, you should know when to say no. In the questions, you should know when to say no. This is the question, you should say no, because it is actually time consuming, but simple, but time consuming. Yes, what is it? 14 plus 21 by 4. 3 power 5 by 4 plus 4 divided by 3 power LCM. 14 plus 7 is 21 by 4. Now 16 plus 4 is 21 by 4. 3 power 21 by 4 divided by 3 power 21 by 4, which is equal to 1. Answer is option A. Ashwini, what we have to do is everything should be written in terms of 3, my dear. Everything should be written in terms of 3. Of course, it is little time consuming. Next question. P by Q is equal to 2 by 3. Then the value of 2P plus Q divided by 2P minus Q. Sir, I know what to be done, sir. I will multiply numerator by 2, denominator by 3, then apply component dividend. Array, waste of time. Directly put P equal to 2 and Q equal to 3. 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 into 2 minus 3. Is it nothing but 7 by 1? Answer is 7. Direct answer. Is my screen is not clear, my dear? Somebody says screen is not clear. Huh? Not clear. It is because of internet issue maybe. Wait. Now can you look at it? Because of zooming in, zooming out now. Yes. Now look at this. Log of root 3 to the base a is equal to 1 by 6. Find the value of a. Listen here. A power 1 by 6 is equal to root 3, which is 3 power 1 by 2. And the base power 1 by 6 you need to write, ma. So 3 power 1 by 2. Now, if the index is same, I can equate the base. So index I need 1 by 6. So that is simply what you can take, taking 6th power on both the sides. So a is equal to 3 power 1 by 2 into 6. That 1 by 6, if it goes to right hand side, plus 6. So which is nothing but what? 3 cube. What is 3 cube is? 27. Fourth question. Log p square by qr. This is actually answer is 1. Direct answer. How I say, look at this. Don't need to do anything. There are 2 p's in the denominator. There are 2 q's in the denominator. There are 2 r's in the denominator. Same p square, q square, r square. So everything will get cancelled. You will get log 1 which is equal to 0. No, because this is not cyclic. Don't use cyclic rule here. Huh? Answer 0. Log 1 is coming now. Look at this. Log of p square by qr, q square by pr, r square by pq. Okay, I think p square, pp get cancelled, q square, qq get cancelled. So that's it. Answer is log 1. Log 1 is nothing but 0. This is index, I think 3 power 3t power minus 1 plus 1 by 3. This everyone can do it. Minus 3 plus 3 minus 2 by 3. 3 power t power minus 2 by 3. If I write it in the denominator, oh sorry, not this, option A. Look at this very important type of question. Look at this very, very important type of question. Yes, a bag contains 25 paise, 10 paise, 5 paise are in the ratio 3:2:1. Please listen this very carefully. These type of questions are highly expected in the examination. The total value is rupees 40. The number of 5 paise coin. Okay, how you approach, sir? What we used to do now, sir? What we used to do now, sir? We used to take the common multiple as x, this, that and all. My dear, a student who have not done mathematics in his 11th standard and 12th standard, and if they ask, if I am asking you to follow the mathematical rule, is it possible to follow? No, definitely no. So let me not follow any mathematical rule. See, we would like to avoid, I am not saying that every sum can be followed like that, but these are the problems, practical based questions. Here and all I can literally avoid the actual mathematical rule. Look at this. What I follow, I'll tell you. There are 3 types of coins, 25 paise, 10 paise and 5 paise. And the ratio is given as what? 3 to 1. Am I right, my dear? 3 to 1. Okay. This is the ratio. This is the ratio. How much total you have got? 40 rupees you have got. In total you have got 40 rupees. In total how much you have got? 40 rupees. I am going to use trial and error method. What I am going to use, my dear? Trial and error method. What is the trial and error method? I'll tell you. Very simple method. 45, 48, 40 and 20. Out of 4 options, I am going to select one option, which is what actually right option. But I am going to tell you how to select that option. 20 is very small. Don't take that. Okay. 45 and 45, 48 are something different, odd or some multiples of 2 numbers. That also ignore. 40 is, it's quite comfortable. Take 40. There are 40, 50 paise coin. Look at this. If there are 45 paise coin, can you tell me how many 10 paise coins? How many 10 paise coins? 80. Because 2, right? Can you tell me how many 25 paise coin then? 120. Now tell me, my dear, that's it, answer over. Take your calculator. Where is the calculator? Take your calculator. Simply follow what I am saying. 120 into 25 m plus 80 into 10 m plus 5 into 40 M plus MRC. Are you getting 4000 paise? Is it nothing but 40 rupees total? Is it nothing but 40 rupees total? That's it, answer over. Are you getting my point, my dear? Instead of taking once more, okay, see, 3 patterns of coin, 25 paise, 10 paise, 5 paise coins. Now, the ratio is 3 to 1. I am taking the option, 40th or 40 I am taking. Yeah, if you take 0.25, direct answer. Even I don't want you to take 0.25 also. You will get 4000 paise, which is nothing but 40 rupees. 40. Number of 5 rupee coin, 5 paise coin. So therefore, this should be 40. If there are 40 5 paise coin, there will be 80 10 paise coins. There will be 120 25 paise coin. Answer is over, my dear. 40 into 5, 80 into 10, 120 into 25, you will be getting 4000 paises. Okay. Yes, Raj, thank you. Now look at this. If one root is, see, important type. If one root is 5z square plus 13z plus y equal to 0, be the reciprocal of the other, then the value of y. Be the reciprocal of the other, then the value of y. Sir, alpha is equal to 1 by beta, sir. Array, why to waste your time, my dear? Reciprocal of the other, directly mark y equal to 5, answer over. I will give you the trick. That formula you write it. Listen here. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. If one root is reciprocal of the other, then simply you write a equal to c, answer over. Just equate these two. Okay, just equate these two. Is my screen is not clear, my dear? I think people are keep on complaining screen is not clear. It is because of the internet bandwidth problem I may face. Is my screen is clear, all of you? Clear now? Few people are saying clear. Think maybe your side there may be a problem. Okay, let it be. Now, guys, today you are going to learn some beautiful hacks. Definitely, please listen this. Follow this. Don't leave unnecessarily in between. Okay, we'll keep on meeting. We'll keep on meeting. 2 power x into 3 power y into 5 power z equal to 720. You just use trial and error method. Don't waste your time. Shall you zoom little, sir? My dear, see, if I zoom it, you are getting affected. I think people are not able to see. Okay, let it be. 4 to 1. Tell me, my dear, 4 to 1. Option A. I am trying with option A. This is trial and error method. X is 2 power 4 into 3 power 2 into 5 power 1. Tell me, my dear, 16 into 9 into 5. What exactly you are getting? Sir, I am getting 720, sir. Answer over. Yes. Answer is over. Now look at this. A man wants to cut 3 lengths. See, if this kind of word problem comes now, don't avoid. Because word problems always comes with hacks. No need of mathematical rule. No need of any rule. Directly, if you understand the question, direct answer. Look at this. A man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of 91 centimeter. For example, there is 91 centimeter and he cuts into 3 parts. Okay. The second length is 3 centimeter longer than the first, longer than the shortest. And the third length is twice as the shortest. Okay. For example, let me take shortest, and this is what is the second length and the third length. Let me take like this. Look at this, my dear. Sir, can you do directly? Of course you can do it. Just do what I am saying. Let me take option A. What they ask you to find out? Shortest piece, 22. Okay. Now, the second length is 3 centimeter longer. That means second length should be 25. Third length is what? Than the shortest, and the third length is twice the shortest. That means 44. Can you please add everything? Are you getting 91? Answer over. Over, my dear. Correct. So what people you say? No, let the shortest length be x. Okay, therefore the second one is x plus 3. Third one is 2x. Why? The people who can use x method can use it. People who doesn't know the X method, if they struggle, I think this way they can get the answer. Now, 10th question. Yeah, 10th question. If this question comes, definitely I am not going to attend, and no one has seen this type of question before. Am I right, my dear? No one has seen this type of question before. Now look at this. It is MTP, this time can come. A labor can be paid under two methods given below. 600 rupees fixed, 50 per hour, 170 per hour. If a labor job work takes R hours to complete, find out the value of R for which the method 2 gives labor gets the better wages. That means second part labor getting the more wage than the first part. That is what the question. So first part, how much they are getting, my dear? 600 per hour. Let me take it as X instead of R, X only you take, because options are given in terms of X. 600 X, see, 600 rupees into X number of hours plus 50. Second person wage is what? 170 X per hour. Now who is getting the better wage here according to the question? Second person. Therefore first person getting less than the second person. Correct? Now simplify this, my dear. What you are getting? What exactly you are getting? What exactly you are getting, my dear? Yes, yes, Dinesh, you are right. What exactly you are getting? What is X is equal to? 600 minus 170. What you are getting? Oh, sorry. Ulta. See, 550 per hour plus 600. Fixed is 600. Yes. Sorry, I did not notice it. Sorry. Now, is it nothing but 600 is less than 120x? So, 600 divided by 120 is less than x. So, what exactly we are getting, my dear? Sir, x is more than 5. Am I right, my dear? X is more than 5. Is that right? See, actually you are getting 5 less than x, which is nothing but x is more than 5. What is x is more than 5 here? Only one option, x is more than 5, which is x is equal to 6. When number of hours is 6, second person will get the option. You have not seen this type of question before. Yes, sir, why 120? Oi, this 50x goes to right hand side. 170 minus 50x is what? 120 only, na? Fini. Next step. The time required to produce a unit of product A is 3 hours and that of product B is 5 hours. The total available time is 220 hours. Look at this. Available. When the word available comes, always less than or equal to. So what exactly will come? 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 220. Answer over. And x is more than 0, y is more than 0. Now, what must be added to each term of the ratio 49:68 so that it becomes 3:4? Very simple. Plus x. Don't insult me by writing x and all. Don't like. First you will take option A. You add 3. 49 plus 3, 52. 68 plus 3, 71. It's a prime number. Challa, they will not come. 5. 49 plus 5, 54. 68 plus 5, 73. Again, challa, because prime number. 8 you check. 8 you please add. What is it? 57, 76. Sir, 19 table, sir. 3:4. Yes, answer over. One student asked me, sir, in time value of money, how I will come to know whether the question is based on future value or question is based on present value? For you, I will tell you one thing, my dear. Okay. There is in my YouTube channel, I covered time value of money in 4 hours time. The entire concept is covered. Once you watch it, you will understand. But here, let me tell you, very simple logic. I hope you people are from English medium. By reading the question, even Tamil medium students or Hindi medium, anyone can understand. By reading the question, you can understand whether the question is based on borrowing or investment. This you can easily understand from the question. Once you understand the question, sir, the question is based on borrowing, sir, find the present value. When the question is based on investment, the present future value. Answer is over. Okay. Now in this question, future value of annuity is given. So that means future value only are going to find out. We are going to find out future value. So in one line you can find out future value. What is the formula for future value? A by I into 1 plus I whole power n minus 1. So here A is 1000 divided by I 16%. Whole power, how many years? 7 years minus 1. But this value is already given to you. So don't waste your time. So which is nothing but 2.8262. So I can say 1.8262. Am I right? Because in the examination, this is what you need to do. 2.8262 minus 1. Don't show your sincerity. Sir, if I don't write, I will lose the mark, sir. Why? 2.8262 minus 1. 1.8262 into 1000 divided by 0.6. Tell me what you are getting. Option A. Very good. Answer over. Listen here. As far as time value of money is concerned, you are supposed to solve all the questions from time value of money in 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, this is what maximum. I will tell you. If you take 20 minutes to solve all time value of money question, you will end up in scoring less than 40 marks. It's a challenge from my side. If you take 20 minutes to solve time value of money questions, it will be what? Less than 40 only you will be able to score. But if you can score all the time value of money questions in 12 minutes time, you will never fail, my dear. Definitely you are going to clear it. So improve your speed in time value of money. Tomorrow I will talk about more things about what and all generally you people are committing the mistake and what and all you should take care to score at least 50 marks. Tomorrow I am going to cover that. If you are interested, please attend. In the same link you can join. Okay, in the same link you can join. But tomorrow's session is going to be the fantastic session, that I can tell you, my dear, because overall I am going to talk about how to approach and how much time you should take from each and every topic. Everything will be done. Assuming that discount rate 7% per annum, how much would you pay if receive 500 rupees growing at 5% annually forever? Same time, my dear. That's also I am covering. Don't worry. I told you now, since you asked, if you are ready to cooperate, of course I am going to help you out. That I told you. That's it. Okay, but I want you to follow me carefully, because every time we cannot keep on calling and informing you, na, my dear. So that will be a little difficult task for us. This question definitely you have not seen before. Answer over. Is it 7 factorial minus 5 factorial? What is it? 2 factorial. 500 divided by 2 factorial is the answer, my dear. It is growing perpetuity. It is actually growing perpetuity formula. Yeah. Growing perpetuity formula, ma. Assuming the discount rate is 7% per annum, how much would you pay to receive 500 rupees? Every year you need to pay, you need to receive 500 rupees forever. That means perpetuity. But it is growing perpetuity. The discount rate is 7% and growing at what? 5%. That difference is nothing but our rate of interest. Yes? Now listen here. One more thing. Since we are talking about time value of money, let me cover this part. This is very interesting part and very crucial part. Many of you are not aware about CAGR. Am I right? You want to know about CAGR because recently they are asking this question, CAGR questions. My dear, we are sharing some link. Please fill the link so that whatever information in future you will be keep on getting it. So please better fill it. Okay. CAGR. Compound annual growth rate. Compound annual growth rate. Do you want to know about this? It's a very important type of question. Nowadays they started asking this. But remember, the textbook and the explanation people are giving now, even I am shocked. Why these people are making this much complicated? CAGR is not that complicated. I will tell you, very simple. What is amount formula? Compound interest. P into 1 plus I the whole power n. What is A stands for? Amount. What is P stands for? What is N stands for? A stands for amount, P stands for principal, N stands for number of, is it number of years? Number of times interest calculated. It is not number of years. Okay, if somebody said it is number of years, don't believe that. In compound interest, this is not number of years. This is number of times interest calculated. See, okay. This I is CAGR, my dear. It. They ask you to find out I, rate of interest, in the name of CAGR. Okay, in the name of CAGR. That's it. We'll be doing some, don't worry. Okay, now come to this. Rajesh deposits. Sir, deposit, sir. Okay, deposit. What is my deposit? See, there is a thumb rule for solving time value of money, annuity type. Thumb rule. I'll give you 3 thumb rules. You just remember this thumb rule. Guys, first time you are listening, please remember this thumb rule. Thumb rule number 1. Identify the type of transaction. Identify the type of transaction. That means whether the problem is based on loan or the problem is based on investment. When the problem is based on loan, present value. When the problem based on investment, future value. Thumb rule number 1, you need to identify it. Second, identify the question based on type of annuity. What type of annuity? Whether the annuity paid at the beginning or annuity paid at the end. That means regular annuity or annuity due. Regular annuity or annuity due. That is thumb rule number 2. Thumb rule number 3, type of compound interest. Whether calculated annually or quarterly or half yearly or monthly. Type of compound interest. Is that clear, my dear? So these things we need to understand first. Okay, these things we need to understand first. First, deposit. Sir, type of deposit means it is investment. Okay, deposit means what? It is investment. Okay, the question is based on investment. 3,000 at the start of each quarter. Start of each quarter, at the beginning. At the beginning, annuity due. Has saving accounts. In account earns interest 5.75% compounded quarterly. What is my quarterly? 4 years. So see, 4 times in a year. Okay, 4 times in a year. Okay. So immediately you know what to be done. Total how many years? 4 years. That means 16 times interest will be calculated. You have to multiply by 4. 5.75 divided by 4. What is it? 1 point? Yes, 1.4375. Very good. So future value, immediate annuity due, everything you understand. Now tell me, my dear. So future value is equal to 3,000 A by I. What is I? 0.014375 into 1 point. This is given. 1 plus I whole power n is given. Minus 1, which is nothing but 0.25654. Directly we can write. Now get the answer. What is the answer? 54,308. I think this shortcut everyone knows. Beautiful trick, everyone knows it. Huh? 50? 53. Hey, I forgot. 1.014375. This I forgot. 1 plus I na into 1 plus I, regular immediate annuity. Now listen here. The annual rate of simple interest 12.5% in how many years? The principal doubles. Fantastic trick we have got. I think everyone knows this trick. What is it? Sir, doubles itself. 100 divided by 12.5. Answer over. If it doubles, 100 divided by rate of interest. Triples, 200. 4 times, 300. I think you know it. 200. Okay. So 100 divided by 12.5. Now, if 5,000 rupees is paid every year for 10 years to pay off a loan, what is the loan amount of interest rate? Be 14% per annum compounded annually. Look at this, my dear. 5,000 rupees paid every year, annuity only. And it is about loan, present value. And what is the, see, type of question is loan. Type of annuities are nothing mentioned. So regular annuity only. Number of years, compounded annually given. I think formula have to be applied. Present value is equal to 5,000 divided by 0.14 into 1 minus 1.14 whole power 10. That's it. Students who are attending my lecture for the first time, for you, Let me just show you the calculator method to get the answer directly. Because my dear, the entire time value of money can be done by using calculator without writing anything. So if you don't know how to use calculator effectively, please follow my method. First you need to find out 1.14 whole power 10. 1.14 into equal to square whole power 10 na, another time equal to cube 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, divided by equal to, I brought it to numerator. Next, what is here? Minus sign. Minus 1. Minus 1. Sir, I am getting into negative, sir. Array, leave it, my dear. Ignore the negative sign. No, sir, I am still getting disturbed. There is a plus or minus sign. Press it, it is gone. That's it. Minus 1 into 5000 divided by 0.14. I think you got the answer. 26080. Option B. Is that right, my dear? Next, 800 rupees is invested. What is it? Future value. At the end of each month. Sir, it is regular annuity and monthly basis. I no need to read anything else. Directly I'll go. See, what is 6%? 6 by 2 is 0.5%. So, what is it? 800 divided by 0.005. This is given to you 1.0511 minus 1, which is 0.0511. Yes, can you please tell me what is the answer? Fast, 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 fast. Make it fast. Can you do the calculation again? Manjunath, you please watch my video. YouTube, it is available. Don't worry. 81. Option D. That's it. Next. A certain sum of money borrowed at simple interest 26. This one very important type. All of you listen here. I follow different method. I don't follow the actual method. I follow different method. A certain sum of money borrowed simple interest 2688 and 2784 in 4 years and 3 years. Some certain principal. Okay, some amount. After 2-3 years, it is becoming 2688. After 4 years, it is becoming 2784. You understand this? What exactly the question? They ask you to find out rate percent per annum. They ask you to find out rate percent per annum. Yes, Sunil, it is there. My YouTube channel is there. You can please watch it. There are permutation, combination, full lecture will be there. Time value of money is there. Quadratic equation, lot of tricks, hacks, everything I uploaded. Okay. Okay. Now listen here. 3 years and 4 years. 3 years and 4 years. Recently I conducted one fast track batch also, you know. It's a 2 batches that too I conducted. There were around one batch there were around 1200 students attended. Other batch there are around 900 students attended. Okay. Fine. I think you could not make it, it seems. Now listen here. Some principal 2688. Some principal becomes 2688 in 3 years and 2784 in 4 years. See how I follow this, you know. Without using any formula, I follow this. What exactly the difference between these two amounts? 96. 96. What exactly between these 2 years? 1 year. So that means 96 by 1. That means every year you are earning 96 rupees. Every year simple interest you are earning 96 rupees. Now this amount is after 3 years. Minus 96. Minus 96. Minus 96. If I keep on subtracting minus 96, what I'll get? I'll get principal. You understand why I am subtracting minus 96 for 3 times? Sir, amount after 3 years means every year 96, 96, 96 is added, sir. So 2400. This is my principal. So simply what you do, you know, simple interest divided by principal into 100. Answer is 4. Yes, correct. Dinesh, you are right. Huh? 2400 trial and method also you do. Panlamayam, panakudadu, ellame panlamayam. Okay, now listen here. CAGR. Now look at this. Ravi made of an investment 15,000 rupees in a scheme, and at the time of maturity, the time maturity amount is 25,000 rupees. The compound annual growth rate CAGR for this investment 8.88 percentage. Calculate the approximate number of years for which he has invested the amount. My dear students, CAGR, as I told you, same formula. Amount is what? 25,000. Principal is what? 15,000. Okay. 1 plus I whole power n. 1 plus I whole power n. What is n is? N only to be found out now. CAGR is what? 8.88%. That means rate of interest, my dear. 1 plus 0.0888 whole power n. Now we need to find out n. Cut, which is 5 by 3. What is 5 by 3? 1.667. Listen here. Now we need to find out n. Most of the coaching institute are using one method. Of course, I don't support that method, but today I don't want to confuse you by giving you the actual method of my method. But what exactly you know? They always, after this, they ask you to put the value of n. Option A is 6. Of course, if 7.7 is the answer, how do you use the calculator? If 5.5 is the answer, how is you use the calculator? Correct now? For 6 you can use the calculator, but you should ask that faculty, sir, if the power is 7.7, then how can we use the calculator, sir? Because there is a different method for finding n. They don't teach you, and they themselves thinking that you will not understand. Say, who the hell, man? Look at this. Yes, 1.0888 into equal to 1.666 approximately. Power 6 I am getting. Yes. Now listen here. This is another important type of question which is not covered in your institute material also. It is not covered in your institute material also. Look at this. Madhu takes loan. What is it? Present value. 50,000 rupees from ABC Bank Limited. The rate of interest 10% per annum. The first installment will be paid at the end of 5 years. First installment we are paying after 5 years. Determine the amount in rupees, deferred annuity, correct, of equal installments if Madhu wishes to repay the amount in 5 years. Amount in 5 years. Okay. How 6 years? No 6 years. 20th calculator trick? No, my dear. Actually, put n equal to 6, you substitute here, and 1.0888 into equal to you have to keep on make it. How 6 years means that is the reason, na? Put n equal to 6 here. Now listen here. So, Madhu wishes to repay in 5 years. Look at this. What happens, you know, it is deferred annuity. Deferred annuity means what? There is a penalty. First annuity actually have to be paid after 1 year, but instead of paying after 1 year, he is paying after 5 years. So of course, first let me find out in 1 year actually how much he has to pay. But here this deferred annuity always use immediate annuity formula, annuity due formula. Tell me what is it? Madhu takes loan of 50,000. So 50,000 is equal to A by I. 1 minus 1 by 1.1 whole power 5 to 1.1. Now, how to find out in one step? 1.1 into equal to power 5 divided by equal to minus 1 into 1.1 divided by 0.1 divided by equal to into 50,000. How much you are getting? 1.1 So I am getting A is equal to How much you are getting, my dear? Can you please tell me how much you are getting? One step we can get it. Yes, look at this. I will show you how to use the calculator, my dear. One step directly I can find out A. What to do, I'll tell you. Start with 1.1 whole power 5 into equal to square cube 4 5 divided by equal to, it goes to numerator, minus 1 into this 1.1 divided by 0.1. We got the entire right hand side. Sir, there is a negative sign, sir. Remove it by pressing plus or minus. Take it to left hand side. When it takes to left hand side, it will come in the denominator. So divided by equal to into 50,000 is there in the numerator. So I get 11,990. Approximately 0.79, keep as it is. But actually this is what the amount she has to pay. But she has not paid this amount. Am I right, my dear? She has not paid this amount. Therefore, interest will be calculated. Interest will be calculated for that 5 years. How you will calculate? Sir, she is paying after 5 years. So, how many times 10%, 10% to be added? Na? 10% plus 10% plus 10% plus 10% plus 10%. 5 times add pannanapa illa. 19,311, approximately 19,310. Answer over. See, plus 10%, plus 10%, plus 10%. That's it. These questions are very simple. Rajesh invest 20,000 rupees per year in a stock index fund with 9% per year for the next 10 years. What would be the closest value of accumulated investment upon payment of the last installment? Look at this, my dear. 20,000 divided by 0.09. This value is already given, 2.36736 minus 1. 1.36736. Can you please get the answer? Can you please get the answer? B. Very good. Yes, yes, B is right. B is correct. Next. An investment is earning compounded interest 100 rupees invested in the year 2 accumulated 105. 100 becomes 105 in 2 years. That's it. So what exactly to be done? Amount is 105. Principal is 100. 1 plus I whole power 2. So which is nothing but what exactly you are going to get? 105 divided by 100 and its square root minus 1. So I get I is equal to 0.0246. That is 2.46% is rate of interest. Now 500 becomes how much? Very simple, my dear, in the 5-year time. So 500 plus 2.46% plus 2.46% plus 2.46% plus 2.46% plus 2.46%. I get 564.80. Screen is full blur, my dear. Tomorrow I'll look into it, okay? There may be some internet issue. Okay. Today's session, after completing time value of money, I will stop it. Tomorrow I'll talk about first 1 hour. I'll talk about permutation combination. Even that is more than enough what I'm covering. Permutation combination I'm going to talk. Sequence and series, few things I'll talk. Then statistics I'll talk. And I'll mark you very important problems also. At least those type you have to prepare and to go without fail. Some topics I will tell you. Those topics, particular questions also I'll mark and give. So actually don't expect the same question, but similar type of questions you can expect in the examination. So that type you are not supposed to leave. Okay. Tomorrow first 1 hour I'll talk about that. 7 o'clock same time you can join. Is that correct? And one more thing, we will be sharing you. So shall I share your contact? Okay. Irfan, don't worry. Tomorrow is not our last day. Day after tomorrow also I'll take. Friday also I'll take. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry. I will take it. Huh? If you are really struggling, I am there to help you out. Okay. Note down my number. Yeah. When you remove your screen, specs, your screen is clear. Okay. What is the connection? என்னப்பா அந்த ஆட்டோல கண்ணாடி திருப்பி போட்டு ஆட்டோ ஓடுற மாதிரி சொல்றீங்க? This is my personal number. Any type, anything. Yes. Yes, Dinesh, of course. Anything, any support is needed, I am there, my dear. Okay, I am there. Okay. So you don't worry. Not even one paper, 4 papers, any support is needed. People especially doing self-study. Okay, people are struggling in some ideas or any suggestions needed. Always approach me for all the subjects. I am there to tell you, my dear. Don't worry. An investor is saving to pay of obligation 15,250, which will due in 7 years. If the investor is earning 7.5% simple interest rate per annum, he must deposit dash to meet the obligation. Can you please use trial and error method? Take 10,000 into, sir, why you are directly taking the option, sir? Because 10,000, mostly that is what going to be the answer, my dear. Into 7.5% into 7. Are you getting 15,250? Is it coming? I have to change the option then. Is it right? Simple interest, my dear. Plus 10,000. Yeah. Hey. Simple interest you will get plus principal to be added. Now you are getting. Yeah. Now, the value of scooter is depreciation 10%. Calculate that. I think you know it. Sir, 1 lakh minus 10%. After how many years? 7 times you subtract 10%. Yes, Renu, it is there. Yes. 47,829. Very good. Oh. Effective rate of interest does not depend on, of course, principal. Why? I'll tell you. What is effective rate of interest formula? 1 plus I whole power n minus 1. See, actually into P means compound interest. So it is nothing to do with principal. But I would like to solve one question. Look at this, very important question. Compulsory question. Find effective rate of interest for 8% quarterly. Listen here. Effective rate of interest always calculated based on what? When the interest calculated more than once in a year, then only effective rate of interest is applicable. Find effective rate of interest for 8% quarterly. Now this is the question. Yeah, Dinesh, you are right. Sir, I will use the formula. I don't want you to use the formula and all, my dear. Just follow my rule. This 8%. Quarterly means 2%. What I generally do, I'll tell you. Take 100 plus 2% plus 2% plus 2% plus 2% 4 times minus 100. You get 8.24. That's it. What I did, 100 plus 2% plus 2% plus 2% plus 2% minus 100. This is what effective rate of interest. If you want to check, you can check it. 7% half yearly. 7% half yearly, which is 3.5%. 100 plus 3.5% plus 3.5% minus 100. Because half yearly means only 2 times. What is the answer? 7.225%. Very good. So that's all with time value of money questions, my dear. So we'll stop with this, guys. I wanted to solve the entire MTP question, but based on your request, I shifted from MTP to hacks. Okay, so that is the reason I could not complete the paper. But otherwise, remember, last June, July MTP, last week only I solved. It is available in YouTube. Okay, I solved each and every question, MTP questions. You can watch my YouTube channel there. I solved 2 MTP questions, two question papers of MTP. But it was June attempt paper. But last week only I solved. It is available on my YouTube channel. You please watch it once. And here, I think many of you are, I feel that many of you are struggling in paper 3, it seems. Of course, let us take this as an opportunity. Okay, it's like a responsibility from my side. I will try my level best to help you out to clear this paper 3, my dear. But I want your support and your cooperation. I want your support and your cooperation. I am doing it for free only. I don't want anything from you, but I want your attendance and I want your interest. Okay, that much is more than enough for me. If you are there, I am there to support you. Whatever topic you want, I will do it, my dear. Yes, measure of central tendency, yes. Class was fantastic. We'll join tomorrow also. Yes, of course, you can join me tomorrow. Of course, you can bring your friends also. No problem. Let us help each other. If you really enjoyed the session and if you learned something from this session, you please share it to your friends. Okay, let they also get some benefit out of it. Okay, tomorrow, yeah, from permutation combination I'll do. Don't worry. I said no, I will do it. Wait. I'll do it. My permutation combination approach is very much different because I don't use formula. Nothing. My way of approach towards permutation combination is very much different. Okay, but I can give you this assurance, everyone will understand. That is for sure. Statistics, I'll do it, my dear. Every day I'll do it. Okay. See, listen here. On YouTube, after law exam, final law exam, I'll be starting my session on YouTube from 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock I'll be available on YouTube up to 12 o'clock in the midnight. Next day morning again around 10 onwards I'll be there on the YouTube channel. Those who want, I will give the schedule also, which time what topic I'm going to take, whichever topic you want, and that time you can come and join. Last time my YouTube channel, I'll tell you, many of the people who cleared only attended my YouTube channel, they cleared that paper. So please don't miss that opportunity. Okay. Yes, you enjoyed now. Thank you, my dear. Your class was very useful, right? Correlation regression, my dear. I will do everything. Don't worry. I will do everything. Okay. Yeah. So tomorrow you please come and join with the same ID. Okay, please come and join with the same ID. Should I call and inform you or you will come on your own? Of course, you will come on your own, right? Okay, guys. And one more thing, those who wants to come personally and those who are staying nearby, Chennai la yara pakkathula irkinga dinaniki, I am there in West Mambalam only. West Mambalam I have got my class. Okay, if you want to come personally to sit in my class, you can sit. It's a nice AC classroom, you will enjoy. High-tech classroom. It is not a studio. It's a beautiful classroom. I'll show you that classroom also. I'll show you the classroom. I think you can see the classroom now. Oh. Okay, you can see the nice classroom. Students have left just now. So if you want to attend, you can come to classroom directly. Oh, sorry, my dear. Okay. So those who are interested, they can come. No need for anybody's permission to enter into our classroom. You please come if you are interested. Okay. Address is West Mambalam, Srinivasa Theatre bus stand. You get down at Srinivasa Theatre bus stand, there only we are available. Or Google Map, you can put it in the Google Map, Thankyou Professional Academy. Okay. You can come to our place to attend the session. I'll be very, very happy if you come to my place to attend the session. Fees are no fees, my dear. When did I ask you fees? Arey, na fees lang kekranga. Vangilama. Huh? Or $1000 ketlama. $1000 romba kammi illa. Okay, Irfan, you please come. Arey, no need, man. You please come. Okay. Okay. Acha. Yes. No need. Fees and all not needed. You please come and attend the session. Okay. Video Okay. Fine. Timing for session 7 o'clock. Okay. If you feel it is very much useful, please come to class directly. Question back, book back question will be asked. Of course, book back questions definitely will come. Tomorrow I will tell you what and all to be prepared. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for attending my session. I'm very happy to teach you all. Tomorrow again, once again we will meet. Nandri. Thank you. Bye everyone. Number I gave na Yogesh. Arey yaar, how many times I should give my number? 9940-687-199. This is what my number. WhatsApp also same number. Yes. Yes. I am taking for other subjects. I am not taking other subject. We are big people, man. You may not be knowing about us. Tomorrow you come again. I'll show you who we are. Okay. Bye all of you. Thank you. Dua karo hamesha. Don't worry. You can talk to me in English, you can talk to me in Hindi, you can talk to me in Telugu, you can talk to me in Tamil, all the languages, don't worry, you can talk to me. Thank you, bye-bye. Yes, Muza. Yeah.